Let's give a big clap to the winners today. As you guys know, today is Tuesday. Let me go ahead and put my volume down. Again, let's go ahead and give clap to all my followers, all my traders. We are in profit. As you guys know, I'm Mr. Full Profit. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm Mr. Full Profit. And I stick by that name because it's a money game situation. So I'm glad that we did pretty good and we have a long way to go. So now tonight, what we're going to be discussing about, we're going to be discussing a little bit about currency. I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you guys exactly what's been happening in the currency. Excuse me, as you guys know, this is the A game, my favorite drink, dragon fruit prune. Oh man, I mentioned it before. A game. Sorry about that. I gotta keep myself hydrated. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys closer to what I'm gonna be doing. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to log in on my Think or Swim platform. Thank you again. We are watching. We are paying attention really to Bloomberg. What's going on in the market? I want to show you exactly how I get it going. So I'm the 1% show. So be patient. Excuse me 1 second. Let me go ahead and make sure that you guys can see everything that's happening here. Bam, bam. All my stuff are activated. So let me go ahead and get it closer for you guys so you guys could see most of my screens, what's happening. All right. All right. So let's go ahead. I have all those fancy, as you guys can see, I have all those fancy little screens that most of the traders are saying that I don't need. Me personally, I need everything that I have. Okay. Allow me 1 minute, team here. See what's going on here. All right. You gotta have patience. To work with Mr. Full Profit, you gotta have patience. You gotta have patience. Without patience, you can't make no profit. You gotta have patience. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and start. As you guys can see here, this is my 5-minute chart. This is my 15-minute chart. This is my 30-minute chart. This is my 1-hour chart. And this is my daily chart. I'm gonna compress it to 1. Just to make sure that, and this is my daily chart, all right? And this is my weekly chart, excellent. So the only one that we're missing here right now is the 1-minute chart. All right, so it's not a big deal. We could go on without the 1-minute chart. All right, so as you guys can see here, those are my watch lists. All right, I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and get it closer to make sure that you guys can see it. I don't want no one to miss out on what I'm gonna be showing right now. So, all right, so this is my watch list. This is my personal, this is my currency pair. For my currency traders, let's go ahead and clap. Let's go ahead and clap. All right. So this is the Australian dollar versus US dollars. All right. So you see as I'm clicking, everything flow. my 5 minute, my 5 minute, my 15, and my 30, my 1 hour chart, daily and weekly. Okay, now what I want to explain to everyone, okay, the main chart that you should be paying attention to all the time is your 1 hour chart. Look at this, all right? You see, I'm seeing everything right now. As you can see right now, is US dollars, Japanese, US dollar versus Australian dollars versus US dollar. Is it forming my 3-stage of reversal? Now, everybody could say yes. Everybody has a choice to make. But right now, at this moment, at Mr. Full Profit, I could tell right now this chart is not ready yet. Now, if you look at my daily chart, I'm going to give you the juice now. Let's get it closer. Okay? If you see that nice pullback that it's doing, now in order for me to verify that it's going to be an uptrend, guess what? I needed to break at least 0.68, the top of that red candle. I need a bullish candle like this candle here. All right. So now, yesterday I was watching the US dollar versus Japanese. I already knew this one was going to be a nice uptrend. This is a beautiful uptrend under 1 hour chart. Now let's look at the 1 hour chart. You see how under the 1 hour that this chart is turning. I want to make sure that you see it. All right. A nice pullback. This is 1 hour chart and this is your daily chart. Okay. Stay with me here, team. Stay with me. Don't fall asleep, but it's going to be an opportunity. So I just give a tip tonight. US dollars versus Japanese yen is in an uptrend. All right. If you guys were following me since yesterday, for a couple of my team, yeah, we would have picked it up and we would have made some money. So now, US dollars versus Japanese in an uptrend. All right. You should be doing your own homework. As far as I'm seeing in my 1 hour chart, Euro versus Japanese is doing the same thing. Beautiful. Okay. JP, Great Britain versus Japanese, GBP versus JPY is doing the same thing as well. Now, you could look at the daily chart as an information how the market is moving. But in reality, pay attention to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart is your sweet spot. I call it the sweet spot. That's my sweet spot. That's where I make all my money. Okay? So now, as you guys can see here, all I have to do is just scroll down. Look at that. And New Zealand dollars versus Japanese in an uptrend. Beautiful. All you have to do is just be patient. And the money is there. And if you follow Mr. Full Profit, Canadian versus Japanese yen in an uptrend. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. There is no need to fight. There is no need to fight. So now this is my currency trading. All right. Now let's break it down at Mr. Full Profit. I'm back again, and I want everybody to pay attention. Trading is a passion. We're not here to chase money. Learn, educate yourself, and the money will come. Perfect example as a basketball player. Michael Jordan doesn't care about the $1 billion that he has. It's guaranteed every night that he step up, score, he's gonna make money. So that's the same ideology I want everybody to think. That's why I'm better at what I do. I'm not here to see. I want to hear my student call me and say, hey man, I'm making money. My friends call me and say, man, I make some good picks thanks to you. If I'm making money, you should be making money. If you follow me, you should be making money. That's point blank and simple at Mr. Full Profit. Mr. Uptrend. That's what we all are. Mr. Uptrend. So again, let's go back to the screen and let's break it down. All right. On a daily chart. Let's go ahead and move it quietly and see what's going on here. AUD versus US dollar. What do you guys think? Okay, it's above. It did a nice pullback, 3-stage of reversing, no problem. I agree. It's above the moving average. Now, I will wait under my 1 hour chart a little bit more. It's okay to wait a couple of days. Okay, we're not trading. We're not going crazy when it comes to trading. Wait a couple of days. Let's let it break 0.67.29.8 in an uptrend and take a position for the upside. And make sure that you use your stop loss and take profit. You know, ratio 4-to-2. You know, so as you guys can see again, this is my thing. I use the same moving average that I use for stocks. So it doesn't matter. You're still gonna make the money. Look at that one. US dollar versus Canadian dollar, right? It did a nice pullback and it went up. 1.31. If you look at 1.31 on the 1 hour chart, that was the low. You ride it, you put a stop loss right under it. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about. This is a consolidation zone, 3-stage of reversing. And guess what? Look at the MACD and just put a stop loss, take a profit, and let it ride. Simple as it is. The math doesn't lie. All right? So again, team, I'm not going to hold you more. As you guys can see here, I'm watching my beautiful channel, Bloomberg, see what's going on in the market. It's guaranteed tomorrow at Mr. Full Profit that I'm going to be making some more money. You know, I thank God for that because with my knowledge that I have, I've been trading over 10 years. It's not something I just started doing, and I'm here to help you get better. So you could also message me on YouTube, tell me how you feel. If I could help you with some different stocks, options, anything that you want, and I'll break it down for you. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow morning. All right? Thank you very much, and have a good one. On behalf of Mr. Full Profit, this is what we do, okay? I'm a technical analysis. This is what I do. All right. Thank you very much. Have a great night.